Greetings everyone, this is Gerard. Welcome to Just One Good Trade, the trading channel in which you get to see a professional trader enact his trades. Let's look at what's happening now. If you look at the 1800 chart, let me put this here, you can tell that price action has crossed all the major simple moving averages. It attempted to go up, got stopped in the 30 period moving average, and then got stumped here, and with almost like a head and shoulders. This is almost like a head and shoulder pattern, and it's going down right now. Okay. So we can sense that the market is about to go down. What time was it here? 7:32. Oh, very slow market. From 7:32, you have, let me see, 182. Oh, that's 20 points. So we have 20 points down since 7:32 Central Time. Okay, so right now we are wondering what would be a possible move that we can profit from. Two things. Could be a slight reversal. It's 834. Slight reversal up to maybe a moving average, possibly, we don't know. Or price action will go all the way here and then reverse back down. But at this moment, there's no real indication of what might happen. Now, see this? On the 800 chart, you have a situation where price action might reverse back from a major support and resistance line here. So from here to here, let's say price action cross this and all the way up here. That could be a possible trade. So let's see, let's wait. I would rather get, if it crosses this and the next candle, I'll get on it. But that being said, I'm going to be very conservative with you. Or today, speaking French. I'll be very conservative. Possibly it's a day of in and outs and small profits. But let us see how things go. $8.36. Okay, price action is almost crossing the 7th period SMA. Okay, it's crossing it. That being said, I'm waiting for the next candle. Ooh, it's already falling a lot. That's a big move for one candle. Big move. That being said, it's retreating back. From here to here, that is 2 points. And I don't know what's going to happen. Oh, it's already crossing this. Look at that. Let's see. The 12 period SMA has touched the previous high. Let's see what will happen. Here, I'm sensing 174. There's odd 174. 174 is here. I'm just touching it. Let's see, there's a reversal happening. Wow. 4 points, 5 points. Yeah. It's a little bit of points that just happened here in this reversal at 8:30. Oh, there's some interest. Ooh. Nice. Yeah. Let's see what happens after this crosses. After this happens, That's a very major point. Is it going to cross this and continue and possibly get here? I'm going to put a line exactly at this point. And it's been going up, up, up. Wow. That's a huge movement. 60, 76, 16 points. That's actually huge. So what do I sense might happen? I think it might reversal back down, but if it crosses those lines here, maybe something is happening and the market is changing. The market is changing its position. Okay. Put this line here. This is a major line. Okay. I have a feeling it's going to continue down. For that to happen, I'll wait for it to cross this line. $8.40. So we're gonna cross this line here. It's a very precarious position.
Order filled.
And
Position open.
let's see if it crosses this decisively. This would be a point of break even. Put double here. If it doesn't break this, let's take a small loss, and at least it's a small loss, it's recoverable. If it crosses this, we're in great shape. Have it cross this decisively. And here, let's go, we can do this. Ooh. Touched it. And it's reversing. Is it gonna reverse past this line? Okay. We might need to exit here if it doesn't reverse all the way back up. I'm going to put this line here. Okay. Not yet. Fully it springs back up. getting some motion back up. I'm putting that red line that where I can sense momentum. So it's not going to reverse past that base. We're just going to continue. Probably wonderful if it cross this candle's high and then get past all those moving averages. If not, if it touches this line and doesn't cross it decisively, that's a sign of like a momentum, which means take what you can get. Cross the previous high. Cross the previous high. Let's go. At least reaches this green line decisively. Ooh, it's reversing. Let's go. Okay. Good. Tug of war happening here. All we need is for it to cross this line here, and I'm gonna put this line red here. Okay, it did cross it. Is it gonna cross this line? Awesome. Now that being said, this is a very precarious moment. If it doesn't cross this decisively, we should have the mental power to exit. So going a little bit up, tug of war. Decisively, let me put this line here. Okay, there might be a chance that we need to exit now. Just up. Cross it decisively. 90, 85, 75. We can do this. Oh, we just have to might take whatever comes. Ooh. Okay. Let's see if it will at least pass the red line. Let's see if it will at least pass this red line here. If it does, we're in good shape. Okay. Okay. So reversal and here. Let's see if it will reverse. Okay. So you can reverse past this. Breaks this line, we should exit. Okay.
Position closed.
Let's see. Process this. Okay, process that.
Position open. Order filled.
Actually process everything. Yes. Amazing. Okay. If it crosses this line and gets to the blue, we're in great shape. Okay, so let's see if it's going to get to the green. Let's see if it's going to do it. This one, cross it decisively. Click decisively. If it reverses, let's take what we get. Okay.
Position closed.
Reverse. Okay, this was an interesting trade. The market is very interesting. As you can tell, it went back to that same spot and reversed right away. We did take a risk with the reversal back up, and it paid off. Let's see. Okay, good. We broke even and we made a little bit more. Very excited about that. Very happy about that. Again, temperance, I suppose, was the name of the game, and accepting when the trade is over. Like here, if it was meant to continue, it would continue, but it reversed right away, and we take what's given to us. That being said, thank you very much. Thank you for being there with me today. And remember, all you need is just one good trade, and we got 2 trades, so that's great. Thank you again. Have a wonderful day. Man, what an interesting trade session. Like, just from here, I will say, I didn't know that it was going to reverse past here. And the idea is, if indeed we did get a reversal from, if I had maybe gambled from here to here, that would have been an interesting play. But I did gamble from here to here, and I did get the reward. That being said, let's just go. We got what we wanted, and I'm very happy.